Commercial Locksmith in Queens, New York, provides our valued business customers with an array of choices when it comes to securing your offices, small businesses, or industrial site. We understand that in order for your business to thrive, it needs to be secure. That is why our services include changing entire locks or lock cylinders, rekeying, installing new locks, standard or very high security, fixing jammed and broken locks, removing broken keys from locks, opening locks for which the keys have been lost, securing sliding glass doors, window locks, and any other service required. Perhaps most relevant to our business customers, commercial, we can set up a master key or master sub-master key system for office exterior and interior, garage and loading dock doors, high security area doors, and emergency panic escape doors. At Commercial Locksmith in Queens, New York, we are able to open modern and antique office desk drawers, keyed electronic combination lock safes, and cabinets with standard key locks, as well as combination or padlock.